Hi guys, here we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, now the time is 11:27 on Tuesday the 2nd of September 2014, and this is for 11:28, 1 Bravo 82, East Coast service from London King's Cross to Newark Northgate. Oh, so it's just stopping up the track then, so it'll be pretty slow, this one might be. Sorry, from this way again. Sorry, I had a spider crawling across my screen. Here she is, we've got a 43 coming. I spotted no train tracks whatsoever in Turkey these last 2 weeks. And we went quite a few places in Turkey as well. We've got 43,310! 43,317, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.